In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Jeep Gladiator key fob. This key fob has been used on Gladiators since 2019 all the way up to present day and takes one CR2450 battery. And it's really easy to change your battery at home. Just get yourself one of these batteries, just a couple bucks on Amazon, and I will leave a link down below in the description. And then just go ahead, follow along. Down here where the key ring is, you can see that area right there, that little slot. We are going to insert a flathead screwdriver into that area and hold both your tool and your fob firmly and just twist so you hear a little pop. And you can see this is starting to become separated. I'm just going to work my way down the side, twisting, until it comes off easily. Just be careful not to damage your key fob. And there we go. Now this should come away. Set that to the side. Now we need something that can fit into this little area. You see there's an arrow there. If you have a toothpick or anything just laying around the house will work. I'm going to use one of these precision screwdrivers just to be very careful. If you don't have something like this, you can get a pack of these on Amazon just for a couple bucks, and they're really handy around the house. So I'll leave a link down below if you want to pick these up with your battery. But all you need is something to get in here. You're going to just gently, carefully keep working your way in, prying up, and it will just shoot out at you like that. Now you can take your new CR2450 battery, make sure the positive side is face up, and push it back in. And it will click back into place. Again, I'll show you. Just follow that little arrow into this small opening here, and pull back, push down, and pull back, and boom, it'll fly out like that. And then you just slide it back in, and it clicks into place. Super easy, right? Last thing is just to line this up and click it back into place. And that's it, you're all done. If you found this video helpful, feel free to comment down below or give us a like. And for more guides like this, visit fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.